Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's point of view, the Pleiadians wanted to chat with us about our bodies, because our bodies are kind of taking a hit right now. So they're going to be giving us a little advice about what is going on energetically and how we can handle these energies more comfortably. But before we jump into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So in today's video, the Pleiadians wanted to chat with us about releasing resistance from our bodies. As you know, over the past couple of weeks, we have been getting pummeled with environmental energies, galactic energies, solar energies, you name it, we've got it. And things have gotten quite intense. And what happens is that puts a lot of strain on our physical bodies. Because when these energies stream into the planet, like they have been, they bombard our energy field. And our energy fields have no idea what to do with this energy. These are energies that have never hit the planet before. So when all of these environmental energies hit the planet, it scrambles the egoic system. Because we've got no roadmap for how to navigate in these energies. So what happens is our 3D body-mind system goes into self-protection mode. And one of the ways that it tries to protect us from these fifth-dimensional energies that are flowing in is it tenses up. So when these planetary energies hit us in a very elevated way, it causes our physical body to try to block them out. That's just what the body-mind system is designed to do. This reaction has helped us stay in the 3D game. So the 3D body-mind will try to block out these energies as they move in. And it does that by tensing us up. You may notice that you tense your muscles, that your mind gets very agitated, that you start to feel very rigid, stiff, painful in the physical body. These are all ways that our body-mind system is trying to protect us from these energies. So as our body tenses up to block out these higher dimensional energies, it creates a lot of physical resistance in the body. You may notice that you are tensing up certain parts of your body, that you're curling your hands or your feet, that you're getting that sense of tension in your neck and between your shoulder blades. This is all ways that our 3D body-mind is trying to protect us from the higher dimensional energies. So how do we undo this? Because all of this creates a lot of strain on the body because we're just holding a lot of tension. Well, there's actually a very simple way to override this process because this is something we do at an unconscious level. This is just how the egoic mind blocks out foreign energies. But there's a simple override. All you have to do is breathe and relax. Just scanning your body, noticing where are you feeling tension today. And that may be areas that always bother you, that just give you chronic grief, but we're also holding a lot of tension in areas that we don't even realize. We'd love to hold a lot of tension in our facial muscles, in our hands and our feet, in our abdomen, in those lower chakras. So if you start to actually scan your body looking for tension, your body will show you where it's holding resistance. And if you just breathe gently into those areas and invite your body to relax, you start to override the 3D system. And what happens is, as you relax the body, you let more of the higher vibrational energy in. You let more of your soul energy in. You let more communication from your guides and your star family in. Because the body-mind system is trying its best to protect you by blocking all of that out. But as you breathe into those areas of tension and just invite your body to relax, what happens is you start to override that 3D system. And sometimes you'll find that the body can't relax, that it just won't let go. You just stay tense, you stay uncomfortable, and that's okay. You're just giving the body permission. You're inviting it to relax. But we never want to force the body. Just by making the invitation, sending a little encouragement to your body, Most of us as lightworkers and starseeds have kind of a love-hate relationship with the physical body. And so as we start to talk to our body more, communicate with it more, we start to open up a partnership with it. As we do that, the body feels safe to let in higher vibrational energy that it would otherwise block out. Because a lot of us, if you've been on your spiritual path for a while, you've been putting a lot of time and effort into connection, connecting with your intuition, with your higher self. And you don't want your body to block all of this out. And the way we do that is we start to relax the body, just inviting it to relax. And the more you talk to your body, encourage it, send it love, the more it's going to give you valuable feedback. The P's like to say our bodies are our best tools. Your body will never lie to you, and your body will always show you what it needs. But to do that, we have to make the body feel safe. And one of the ways we can do that is just start to relax it. Start to actually reassure your body. Tell it it's safe. Sounds a little crazy, but sometimes it's the simple, silly things that actually work. So this is one of the things we can do to start releasing resistance from the body, to start getting all of our systems working in the same direction. We don't want to be trying to pull in all of this great higher dimensional energy just to have the egoic system block it out. Then we are just going in circles and chasing our tail. So the way we start to let this wonderful energy in is by overriding the 3D system that's designed to block it out. So it sounds very simple, and it is, and we always love it when that happens. So this is a little tool that the P's wanted to share with you in today's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.